air emergency in the National Capital Region be a thing of the past? That's a big question on the minds of people living in the Delhi NCR region. Anshul, Himani, as well as Shrishti, thank you for joining us and getting us those reports from ground zero. Let's listen in to more reactions coming in.
Breathing difficulty, chest congestion, runny nose, even watering from the eyes. Sometimes itching problem is also there. And sometimes they also have blood in the sputum. They may have fever. So multiple symptoms are there related to respiratory symptoms which they would come to us. And when we would see that they would have, acute bronchitis, maybe some of these patients pneumonia. Then there is a flare of the asthma and COPD patient who already have got respiratory disease before. Then we also find increased incidence of pneumonias, lower respiratory tract infections, sinusitis, allergic rhinitis. So variety of cases involving the upper respiratory tract and the lower respiratory tract due to the pollution are coming to the hospital and the OPD as well as in the emergency department.
Well, I have a lot of congestion, I have a lot of phlegm, I have difficulties in breathing. Yeah, and it's been a week, I'm on medication and I'm 60% better. I do regret it. I wish I hadn't. But I came to see my parents because my dad was not so well. But yeah, I think it was a bad decision to come at this time, after post-Diwali.
So after Diwali, I started having cough, and this is my second visit in Fortis Hospital, and I'm consulting a pulmonologist for my cough. And it's really bad that even normal cough syrup is not able to, provide me any relief. So I had no option but to come to the hospital. And this is my second visit. I'm having really bad cough. It's all due to pollution, even though I have, air purifier at home. But it's not possible to lock myself at home for the whole day. We have to go out for the day-to-day activities. And due to Delhi's pollution, it's getting worse day by day. Even after taking, high doses of antibiotics, there's just 50% relief in my cough and things are just getting worse.
4 out of 6 at home are fearing some form of pollution impact. I've also just recovered from bad throat. I was on antibiotics myself for a week. My young son, college going, is also feeling the impact. I guess he's also feeling the impact of the pollution. He's also going to be starting antibiotics soon.
जैसे अभी 1 वीक हो गया ना, पोल्यूशन ज़्यादा है तो कफ वगैरह ज़्यादा हो रही है और ब्रीथिंग में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है मेरे को यहाँ पे. इस सीज़न में थोड़ा सा मेरे को मतलब जब तक ये पोल्यूशन चलता है 15-20 दिन महीना दिक्कत रहती है. जैसे पोल्यूशन ठीक है, जैसे अब रेनिंग सीजन होता है उसमें पोल्यूशन नहीं होता, उस टाइम कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. मतलब ब्रीथिंग में ईजी रहता है बिल्कुल.
किस तरीके के सिम्टम्स रहते हैं?
मतलब ब्रीथिंग में प्रॉब्लम रहती है और कोल्ड कफ वगैरह आता है ज़्यादा, खांसी रहती है ज़्यादा.
उसके लिए डॉक्टर ने आपको कुछ?
हाँ, डॉक्टर उसके लिए इनहेलर वगैरह देते हैं, नेबुलाइजर देते हैं, उससे ठीक हो जाता है.
Actually, at the moment, I'm coughing a lot and phlegm is coming out, so I think I have a little infection. And basically, that's the reason. I didn't want it to trigger off like it happened in April. I was here hospitalized for 4 nights because of this only, asthmatic sort of an attack. So it was bronchial and it was quite serious. So now I come in when there is a problem, like he has given me some medication like inhalers, nothing much. And that's it, I was following, but because of the pollution since after Diwali, thing has triggered off again. And I'm feeling little not well in the sense of breathing and coughing.
सोचने की बात है कि हमें पता है आने वाला टाइम है, पर हम उसके लिए कुछ करते नहीं हैं. ये हमारी कलेक्टिव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. लोगों की जो इंडस्ट्री है, कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री है, गवर्नमेंट है, रेगुलेटर्स हैं, एनवायरनमेंट वाले लोग हैं, सबको मिलके इसको बिल्कुल मतलब डिफीट करना है. क्योंकि अगर जो हम नहीं करते तो आप ये देखो कि आज आप देखोगे हॉस्पिटल में क्या हाल है. ओपीडीज जो लंग्स का जिनको पहले प्रॉब्लम था वो तो बहुत ही सीवियर प्रॉब्लम में आ गए हैं. जिनको नहीं भी था उनको भी कॉफ, कोल्ड और पूरा पोल्यूशन के इफेक्ट पड़ रहे हैं. जो पराली बर्निंग की होती है उसको अभी तक नहीं रोक सके.
So no one is safe from the air emergency in the National Capital Region. Question remains, when will all the promises be delivered into results on the ground? That is something that the people of the Delhi NCR region have been waiting for years and years and years. We will continue to track all the developments coming in from the National Capital, but that's all we have to pack in on the show. We're going to take a quick break now. Up next, Nation at 5 with Poonam Burde.